Hey there, and welcome to the AI Money Making Masterclass. I'm so excited to have you here. If you've been curious about how people are using AI to start side hustles, grow businesses, or freelance full-time, you're in the right place. This course is designed to be practical, beginner-friendly, and most importantly, income-focused. Whether you are just exploring AI for the first time, or you've already played around with tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Canva AI, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn those tools into real income, real results with real revenue. Alright, now that you know what this course is all about, let's dive into what we are covering in this lesson. This first lesson is meant to give you the big picture, so that you can see exactly why this moment in time is such a massive opportunity for anyone looking to make money with AI. By the end of this video, you will understand how quickly AI tools are growing, what's changing in the market, and how real people, not just tech experts, just regular freelancers and creators, how they are using those tools to start profitable side hustles, freelance services, and even full-blown businesses. We're also going to look at the 5 main income paths people are using right now with AI. These are practical, beginner-friendly, and you will likely see one or two that feel like a great fit for your strengths and goals. First, we will look at the explosive growth of AI and why the timing right now is perfect to jump in, especially if you are looking to build something profitable without spending months learning complicated tech. Then, I will show you how people are actually making money with AI tools like ChatGPT, not hypothetically, but with real examples of offers that are working right now. We will walk through the 5 most popular and beginner-friendly AI income paths that you can start thinking about which one might be the right fit for you. You will also get a look at the kinds of offers that are performing best in 2025. Things like freelancing services, digital products, and automations that clients are actively looking for. By the end of this video, you will have a clear sense of which direction fits your lifestyle, your strengths, and your income goals. So you are not just consuming content, but actually planning your next step. Alright, let's break down why 2025 is such a powerful time to get into AI and why this window of opportunity will not stay open forever. In 2025, we are hitting a sweet spot. First, AI adoption is exploding across every industry, from solo freelancers to big companies. But we're still early enough that competition is low and opportunities are everywhere. Second, businesses are actively looking for help with content, automation, customer service, social media, and lead generation. They're curious about AI, but they're overwhelmed. So they want to use AI for different tasks, but they don't have time to figure it out all by themselves. And they're willing to pay people who understand AI even a little bit better than they do. Now, let's talk about tools. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, maybe even used it, but tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, Perplexity, and Claude are just as powerful, and they don't require any coding or tech background to use them. So you can do this without being technical. They're simple, fast, and built for everyone every day to use. You just need to know how to apply the tools to solve real problems. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this course. And that's the edge you have right now. And that's why starting your AI journey this year can put you months or even years ahead of people who wait. Now that we've talked about the opportunity, let's get into the tools, because these are the engines behind almost every successful AI income stream right now. I've broken them into 3 simple categories so that you can start thinking about which tools fit best with your goals and interests. First up, the content creation and writing. These are the tools that help you write blog posts, emails, landing pages, sales copies, anything text-based content. ChatGPT is the most well-known and it's incredibly versatile. Claude is gaining opportunity for long-form writing and summarizing complex content. And Jasper AI is great for marketers and small business owners who want fast, polished copy with minimal editing. The next one is visual and video generation. This is where you can create graphics, images, videos, and social media content without a designer. Midjourney is amazing at stunning AI-generated art, and it's great for print on demand or branding. Canva AI lets you generate social posts, slides, and thumbnails in minutes. And Pictory and Synthesia help you create videos without being on camera, and it's perfect for YouTube ads or client projects. And finally, automation and research tools. This is where you save time and scale your output. Perplexity is like ChatGPT, but focused on real-time, reliable research, and it's great for articles, reports, or content briefs. Zapier, Make.com, and N8N let you connect tools and automate workflows from client onboarding to lead generation. Notebook LM is perfect for organizing research, summarizing long content, and turning scattered ideas into clear outlines or proposals. And DeepSeek is also powerful for research and structured responses, especially if you like working with data or documentation. Now, you don't need to use all those tools. Just pick one or two in each category can get you started. And don't worry, throughout this course, I will walk you through when and how to use them depending on the income model you choose. Now, let's talk about who actually needs help with AI, because this is where the income opportunities come from. First, small business owners. These are people running shops, agencies, consultancies, or even local service businesses. They've heard about AI. They know it can save them time, but they don't know where to start. They're looking for someone to help them with things like automating emails, setting up chatbots, or creating content more efficiently. Next, content creators, such as YouTubers, bloggers, social media managers. They're producing a ton of content every week, and they are constantly looking for ways to save time. AI can help them write scripts, repurpose videos into carousels, or turn ideas into outlines. And if you can offer those services, they will happily pay for it. Then we have coaches, consultants, and solopreneurs. These are people building personal brands or online businesses, and they're usually doing everything themselves, such as marketing, admin, sales, fulfillment. If you can step in with AI-powered support, whether that's automating their onboarding process or helping them create lead magnets, you are saving them time and energy. That's hugely valuable to them. Agencies are another big one. A lot of marketing or design agencies are overloaded with client work, and they're starting to realize that AI can help with that, but they don't have time to train their team or experiment. So if you can offer done-for-you AI writing, research, or chatbot setup, you'll become an easy solution for them to plug in. And finally, startups. These companies want to move fast and scale, but they don't always want to hire full-time employees right away. So instead, they outsource AI work, things like copywriting, funnel building, automation, or research. If you can deliver results using AI tools, they will pay you for it, sometimes on retainer. The bottom line is this: you don't need millions of followers or a huge network to make money with AI. You just need to know who needs help and how to position yourself as the one who can provide it. Now, let's get into what this course is really about: turning AI into real income. There are a lot of ways to make money with AI, but these 5 are the most practical, the most profitable, and the most beginner-friendly ones. The first path is freelancing. This is where you offer services like AI writing blog posts, AI-generated designs, chatbot builds, or marketing automation. You can set up on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or work directly with clients. The demand for these services is growing fast, especially because businesses don't want to learn the tools themselves. They just want results. Second, content creation. This includes YouTube videos, social media posts, blogs, newsletters. And with AI tools, you can create and repurpose content quickly. Some creators are using ChatGPT and Pictory to generate full YouTube videos, without ever being on camera. Others are automating their entire Instagram strategy using Canva AI and scheduling tools. And yes, people are monetizing this through affiliate links, YouTube ads, sponsored content, and even selling their own products. Then digital products. This is one of the best passive income models. You can use AI to create prompt packs, ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, swipe files, and sell them online. You only need to create it once, and you can sell it over and over without any extra work. Then we have automation services. You help businesses save time by setting up AI systems for them. Things like automated lead generation, customer onboarding, or email follow-up. You might use tools like Zapier, Make.com, or ChatGPT to do this. This is valuable, high-leverage work, and businesses are willing to pay well for this. And finally, coaching and consulting. If you are someone who likes to teach or guide others, you can offer AI training sessions, workshops, or one-on-one consulting. You don't need to be a world-class expert. You just need to know more than your client. Even simple workflows of tools like ChatGPT or Canva AI can be packed into high-value offers. Now, you don't need to do all 5 of those. In fact, I recommend you to choose just one path to start. Choose the one that matches your interests, lifestyle, and income goals. That's what we're going to explore in our next lesson. So you can pick your path and start building your first AI income stream step by step. Now, if you're thinking, is this already too late? Because everyone is using AI now. Let me show you why that's absolutely not the case. What you are looking at here is the opportunity curve. And right now, we are still early. And yes, people are talking about AI everywhere. It's in the news, on YouTube, in your social feed. But the truth is, most of the people are just watching from the sidelines. They're not building, they're not selling, and they're definitely not using AI tools to grow a business or create an income. And that includes businesses too. A lot of small business owners, though AI can help them, they've maybe tried ChatGPT once, but they're stuck. They don't have time to learn it. They don't know where to start, and they're falling behind. That's where the opportunity is right now. If you can learn how to use these tools, even just a few of them, and apply them to simple practical problems, you are going to be ahead of 95% of people. Because when the rest of the market finally wakes up and starts looking for help, you will already be in the position. This course is designed to get you there fast, so you don't just understand the tools, but you actually know how to turn them into something profitable. So yes, the AI wave has started, but most people haven't paddled out yet, and that gives you a massive advantage if you are willing to start now. Before we move into choosing your income path, I want to make something really clear. It's one of the biggest misconceptions holding people back. You do not need to be an AI expert to make money with AI. Seriously, no coding, no complex systems, no PhD in machine learning. That's not what this course is about, and that's not what most clients or customers are looking for. The tools available now, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, Make.com, are designed to be simple. They are no-code, intuitive, and accessible to beginners. You don't need to build the technology, you just need to apply it in smart ways. And that's exactly what I will walk you through in this course, step by step. You will learn how to use AI to write content, design visuals, automate repetitive tasks, and deliver real results to real people. What matters most is not technical skills, it's clarity, speed, and the ability to solve simple problems with AI. That's what clients pay for, and that's what saves businesses time and money. So don't worry about being an expert. You just need to be a little more capable than the people you serve, and you will already be valuable to them. Alright, great work finishing this first lesson. You now understand the big picture, why AI is such a powerful opportunity right now, and what's possible even if you are starting from zero. In the next lesson, I will walk you through 10 of the most profitable AI money-making models and help you choose the one that aligns with your income goals, lifestyle, and skill set. Whether you want something simple, you can start freelancing part-time, or you're building toward passive income or full-blown AI business. This next module will give you a total clarity. You will see which tools and strategies work best for each model, what kinds of clients or products are involved, and where to start, even if you feel like a total beginner right now. And before you go, don't forget to download the AI Money Making Blueprint. It's a visual guide to everything we will cover in the next module, and it will help you choose your path with confidence. Now we'll see you in the next lesson.